These twins were born with completely different skin colors. Where are they now? Although their mother claimed that both of these twins come from the same father, one of the twins is not like the other. On Friday, Chantelle Broughton made an appearance on Good Morning Britain accompanied by her 30-day-old son Ayan and daughter Azira. But because of their completely varied skin tones, the two appear very different. Azira, who has brown eyes and a deeper complexion, was modeled after Broughton's companion Ashton. Ayan was born with pale skin and green eyes, making her resemble Broughton. It wasn't too visible at first. The hostess Kate Garway and Ben Shepherd were informed by the new mother that although their complexions were very similar, they could tell that she was a little darker. However, as the weeks and months passed, he simply became lighter and she simply became darker. We were taken aback. You see that, but it's not as often with twins, she continued. But we're content. We appreciate that they are a little different from each other and that one of them is named after my father and the other after me. Broughton also mentioned that while they're out and about, other people are frequently drawn to her unusual set of twins. Really, everyone is startled. Since everyone appears to like twins, people will stop you for sure if they notice you have a double stroller, the woman added. Are they twins? They inquire after noticing. And I reply, yeah. And they exclaim, whoa, one is light, one is dark, dark. That's really strange. I've never seen anything like that. Trolls on Twitter, on the other hand, have lacked grace. Broughton claimed to have gotten messages asking whether any of the couple's children actually belonged to them, or even falsely accusing her of having an affair with Ashton. As reported by The Sun, one user questioned, are they both his? Or, another ignorant person surmised, she was cheating on her fella. However, Dr. Amir Khan, who accompanied Broughton for her GMB appearance, clarified that it is possible for twins to have distinct skin tones at birth. He explained, what would have happened is that 2 eggs and 2 sperm would have fertilized those eggs. The roughly 20 different genes that make up skin color are dispersed randomly. The genes present in one of the male reproductive system will differ from those in another, and the same is true of the eggs. That's what is going to occur. One egg will have been fertilized by a different set of genes than the other, according to Khan. There will be 2 people, one with lighter skin and the other with darker skin. He said, it's very uncommon and entirely by chance. Roughly 1 in 5 interracial couples who give birth to twins will give birth to twins like this. Although he was overwhelmed, Ashton, who was there in the room when the twins were delivered, pointed out that at first there wasn't as much contrast in their complexion. They have a promising future, he adds, adding, it's a little crazy. Although they both had quite similar looks from birth, she is becoming increasingly darker. She is stunning. One expert claims that despite the fact that the twins have left many people in awe, the phenomenon is not all that uncommon. At the University of Nottingham's School of Life Sciences, Professor James McInnery, the chair in evolutionary biology, stated, the twins are not identical, monozygotic, twins. As a result, their genetic makeup differs, their relationship is comparable to that of 2 siblings. This indicates that 50% of their alleles, a particular DNA sequence that is a type of gene, are shared by them. In this instance, certain alleles that could result in lighter skin have been inherited by one twin, while some alleles that can result in a somewhat darker complexion have been inherited by the other twin. One important gene is a component of a metabolic pathway that converts the amino acid tyrosine to either pheomelanin or eumelanin. Pheomelanin is lighter and blonde/red, whereas epicelanin is darker and browner. It's possible that this specific gene's alleles are involved, which might make the outcome appear more obvious. It probably feels quite unusual because they are twins, but in reality, it's not so unusual.